Okay. For example, this is a plane mirror. And if you place any object here, then light will go like this. It will strike like this. Clear? But there are not only two rays, so many rays. So many rays will strike and reflect. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the rays which are striking at the end, that is the ultimate last ray. For example, this is a plane mirror. If this is the object, the ray which is striking the end of the mirror, this is only the last ray.
Yes, sir.
In between that, so many rays will be present. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of field of view? This is incident ray, this is incident ray, these are the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray, this is reflected ray. Here n number of reflected ray will be present. So image is formed by whom? Reflected ray. So if anyone is standing here, for example, you are standing here. If you are standing here, in your eye, reflected rays are entered and one virtual image is formed. At the back, you are looking the virtual image of these reflected ray. Clear? So field of view means a region, the region in which all the reflected rays are present. So this is the region in which all the reflected rays are present. So field of view of this is, you can see here field of view is this much. Here field of view is continuously increasing. If you are standing here, then you can't see any image. Why? Because you are outside the field of view. If you are standing here, you can't see any image. But if you are standing here, you can see the image because reflected rays are entered in your eyes. So the region, this is the region in which, all the reflected rays are present is known as field of view. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So always remember, if anyone is asking what is the field of view of this plane mirror, then always from the object, draw one ray that is striking the end of the mirror like this. Then in between these two reflected ray, all the reflected ray will be present. So this is known as field of view. Clear? So
Yes,
if
sir.
anyone is standing in this field of view, then he is able to see virtual image of this object. Clear? In his eye, virtual image will be formed. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So you can write the definition of field of view. The region first of all, write the definition. The region in which all the reflected rays are present is known as field of view. What you are viewing? Image. Field of view of image. Now draw this diagram. Write this definition and draw this diagram, which I am drawing here. This is the plane mirror. This is the object. Object is at a distance L. Image will be L distance back. How many rays are required? Minimum 2 rays. Then you will take one ray like this, second ray, and this is going like this. Can you see, like, this is reflected ray. When you bring it back, it will form a virtual image. Can you see, like, a field of view? Field of view is continuously increasing. Here, field of view is this much. If you are
Yes, sir.
standing here, this is the field of view only. This is a region in which all the reflected rays are present. Field of view is continuous angle. Can you see? Continuously increasing because rays are diverging. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This entire region in which all the reflected rays are present is known as field of view of the image. So if anyone is standing here, in his eye, these reflected rays will enter and you will see the virtual image. If any observer is here, he will see the virtual image of this object if he is standing in the field of view. But if this object is not in the field of view, then he can't see the virtual image of this image. For example, if this object is here, he can't see this because in his eye no reflected ray entered. Clear? So
Yes,
field
sir.
of view means the region in which all the reflected rays are present. Clear? Any doubt?
No
After
doubt,
this,
sir.
write the new topic, that is number of images found by the plane mirror. You can give the heading number of images found by the plane mirror. For example, this is the plane mirror and one more plane mirror is here, and these two mirrors are here. In between these two mirrors, one object is placed. Can you tell me how many images are formed? Option A, 2, 3, option B, 4, option C, infinite. How many images will form? This is mirror 1, this is mirror 2. Tell me.
4 images will be formed.
4. Are you sure? For this mirror, this is the object. So one ray will enter. For this mirror, if this object is at a distance L, then with respect to this mirror 1, image will be here, I1. Clear? Like this.
Sir, option B3, sir.
Let me check. With respect to mirror 2, this one more image will be formed, I2. Now tell me, any other rays, any other image will form? These reflected rays are going here. This is going here. So only 2 images are possible. I1, virtual image 1, virtual image 2. Option A.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, but when mirror 2 is displaced a bit higher, then would 3 or more images be
Yeah,
formed?
but I didn't ask that question now. And one
Yes,
more
sir.
thing, remember, if for example, this is the mirror, clear? If you place object here, then only it will form a virtual image. Clear? But if you place this
Yes.
object here on the back, there is no image formation takes place. Always remember the object is always in front of the reflecting surface. This is the reflecting surface. Our object our object always be in front of the reflecting surface, then only it will form a virtual image. Clear? If this object
Yes, sir.
is behind the mirror, then there is no formation of image. You can see while you are looking your pic in the mirror, then you can't see. If you are behind the mirror, you can't see your image. You can do this experiment at your home also. Clear? Now next question,
Yes, sir.
write down. Second question. If two mirrors are like this, if I place two mirror and this is the object, how many images will be formed? Did you see this? When we go to a barber shop, two plane mirrors are placed and you are looking how many images?
Two images will be formed.
Wrong. M1, M2. Clear?
Infinite.
For example, this is 1 meter from this, 1 meter from this. What you say?
Mm, the first image that will be formed is 1 meter here, and the 1 meter. Another
Very
image
good.
will be formed.
Now listen, listen,
Then
listen. With respect to mirror, this M1, if this object is 1 meter, then image will be here, I1. I will use this red pen, I1. Clear? Any
yes, sir.
doubt? With respect to this mirror 2, this object is here, then image will be I2 will be here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now these two, now tell me, for this mirror, see this mirror only. Here polish is here polish I did here. So for this mirror, for this M1, this is the reflecting surface. For this mirror, this is the reflecting surface. Now tell me, for this mirror, this image is object now.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because this image is placed in front of the reflecting surface of M1. But this is not the object for M2 because this is behind the M2. Clear? So for this M1, this I2 is the object. Now tell me, this is 1 meter. This is 1 meter. For I2, this M1 will form an image at a distance of how much?
3 meters.
Very good. 3 meter. If I take 3 meter here, I3. I3 will be for this. If this I2 is 3 meter, then I3 will be 3 meter like this.
Yes, sir.
Now for this M2, this I1 is the object, virtual object.
Yes, sir.
Then this is 3 meter, then this will also 3 meter. That is I3, not I3, it is I4. I1, I2, I3, I4. Now for this M1, this I4 is the virtual object. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now it will form again image. Then how many images? If you want,
Infinite.
I can draw the ray diagram also, but it will take you. It will be more complex. So you can say how many images? Infinite images formed. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Next question, write down. Question number third. If I placed one mirror here like this and one mirror this is one mirror, an object is here, this is M1, This is M2. Object is here. Now, can you tell me how many images will be formed? Option I am
Two
giving.
images.
Very good. 2 images. If this is one image will be here, I1, and one image will be here, I2. Any other image will be formed? I can draw like this. I can draw the ray diagram. So this is if you are this is any observer, eye of observer. Clear? In his eye,
Yes, sir.
his reflected ray will enter. Then he will see these two virtual image. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Next question right down. Question number 4. If I place two mirror like this, one mirror like this, an object is here. Tell me the how many images will be formed? Option A, 2, 3, 4, D, none.
Option D, sir.
Option B. Option
D, because I thought it might form infinite.
infinite. Wrong. This M1. Infinite always found when mirrors are parallel. These mirrors are not parallel. This is at 90 degree and this object is making 45-degree angle. This is also 45-degree angle. If with respect to this mirror, here polish, here reflecting. So it will form an image of this. Here I1 with respect to this mirror. One image will be formed here. That is I2. And can you see like if I draw the ray diagram like this, like this, but you forget one more images. I'm showing here one more ray. This is the object. From this object, one light will strike like this. When you move it back, here also one more image will be formed. I3. See, this is striking, incident, reflected, again incident, reflecting, incident, reflecting, going like this in the eye of observer. And when you drag it back, I3 will be formed. So here, if you just here I3 will be formed. Then how many images? 3. If you forget
Image.
also, just understand here I1, I2, just consider here mirror is placed. For this I2, there is I3. Just understand like this is, if you don't understand this, I will explain again. Understood?
Yes, sir.
See, I3 I am explaining. This is object. Light ray strike. And then it is going like this. Clear? One light ray will strike like this on this mirror. It is reflecting here. Again is striking. So when these two reflected rays, if you drag it back, then one more image will be formed. That is I3. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these questions are very, very important question. Everyone is saying like only two images will be formed. Everyone is saying like this. But actually this is how many images are formed? 3. But don't worry, I will give you one trick. With the help of that, you can easily calculate the number of images. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes. No doubt, sir.
Now write one concept. Write down circular concept. I will teach this concept. I will give you various methods to find the number of images. But slowly I will teach. Write down circular concept. Maybe I should take new page. Circular concept. Now what is this? Very, very important. If you know this concept, you can solve any question. Just now I have solved. According to this concept, if I take one mirror like this, this is one mirror. Second mirror. And you place an object symmetrically. 45-degree angle here, 45 from this mirror. Let us suppose this mirror is M1, this mirror is M2. This is symmetrical. This figure is symmetric. Why is it symmetric? 45 here, 45 here. Clear?
Right.
Now, what is the meaning of circular? Understand? For this object, if this object is this much distance from this mirror, then its image will be this much only. Because it's a plane mirror. If object is 2 meter, then one image will be here. That is I1. And this is R. Distance is R. Clear? One image I just formed, it is how much? It is I2.
Right.
And one image just I formed, that is
Right.
I3. Now see, this is very, very important concept. Tell me, if this is E, this is O, this is A, this is I1, I take Q. This is R. Triangle QEA and triangle OEA. So these two triangles are congruent. Can you see? This distance is equal to this distance. This is 90. This is, just forget. If this is R, One you have learned like this SAS, side angle side. Did you learn this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, two sides. Can you see two side? One this side is equal to this side. This is 90 and one angle is common. So SAS property I use, and these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then I can say if this is 45, then this is also 45. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And if this is equal to this equal, this is equal, A is common, then can I say this is also R?
Yes, sir.
So everywhere, if you see here also, this is R, this is R. Clear? If this is 45, then this is also 45. So can you see, did you notice one thing which I am looking now? This is R. This is R. Every image is at a distance R. It means what? All the images are lying on the circle. This is circular concept. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All the images lying on the circle. This concept, I will use this concept to describe very important, like how I3 came, how I1 came, how I2, like this I will explain. Clear? So any doubt
Yes,
up to
sir.
this point?
No doubt, sir.
Now understand, remember, if this is object is 45 degree from this mirror clockwise, then image will be 45 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Can you see? With respect to mirror 2, if this object is 45 degree from M2, then from image will be 45 degree clockwise. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Did you notice this? If this object is 45 degree from M1, then its image will be 45 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. If object is clockwise, then image will be anti-clockwise. Similarly here, if this object is 45 degree from the M2, then image will be 45 degree clockwise. And this I3 is how much from this? For example, I3 for I3 is how much? Just forget. Understood up to this point? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So this is known as circular concept. If object is for alpha degree in clockwise, then image will be alpha degree anti-clockwise. Clear? Any doubt? So I
No
think
doubt,
meeting
sir.
link will be over. Then I will start. This concept again. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In 4 minutes, maybe it will be end, but I will explain here again. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see, this is the plane mirror. Plane mirror. This is one more plane mirror. Object is here. Then draw one circle. If this is alpha, this is beta. This is mirror 1, mirror 2. Draw the circle. Clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
with respect to mirror 1, this object is beta degree clockwise. Then image will be here I1 beta degree in this direction. Clear? With respect to mirror 2, if this object is alpha in this direction, anti-clockwise, then image will be from M2. How much? Alpha in this direction. Now tell me, For this mirror M1, polish is at the back. Polish is, I did the polish at the back. Then for this mirror M1, this I2 is the virtual object.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, if this is the virtual object from this mirror M1, how much is it? 2 alpha plus beta? 2 alpha plus beta. Then its image will be from the mirror. How much? 2 alpha plus beta, like this. Clear? I just want
Yes, sir.
to tell you, like, just visualize this concept only. I will give you criss-cross method. Clear? Just understand this first. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, I will share one more meeting. I will close this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, see here, if this alpha, if object is alpha degree here, then image will be found with respect to mirror will be alpha here like this. I1, I2 will be here. It is beta. This much you should know. Now I will explain this method. Very, very important. Please understand. For example, draw, write M1 mirror, M2 mirror. So on this mirror M1, one image will be formed at alpha degree. For this mirror M2, image will be formed. Second image, this is first image, second image will be formed at beta degree. Now take the cross, criss-cross. Take the cross like this. That now what we will do? Take the angle between two mirror, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Now next, what we will do? Now alpha plus beta. Now for M1, next image will be formed. Tell me, for this M1, this I2 is the object, and with respect to M1, this I2 is how much? Alpha plus beta, 2 beta plus alpha. Then M1 will form an image of this. I3 will be how much? Alpha plus 2 beta. So just add alpha plus beta, that is alpha plus 2 beta. Next image will be formed here. Alpha plus beta, 2 alpha plus beta. Like this. Keep doing. Again take the cross. Angle between the mirror is alpha plus beta. Then image at M1 will be how much? Alpha plus beta plus this. 2 alpha plus alpha, it is 3 alpha plus 2 beta. On M2, image will be formed where? Add these two. Alpha plus 2 beta, alpha plus beta. 2 alpha plus 3 beta. 2 alpha plus 3 beta. Like this. Keep doing. Then how many images will be formed? These are the images. Okay. Image 1, 2, 3, third image, fourth image, fifth image. Virtual only. Clear? Now I will give one example. With the help of that, you can easily understand. Clear? So write the one question. Just now we have solved. You will solve, okay?
Yes, sir.
Object is symmetrically placed or not symmetrically placed. This method is applicable to everywhere. This is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. This is mirror 1, mirror 2. You can take this is M2, this is M1. Clearly. So orderly write down M1, M2. So on this mirror M1, object is placed how much angle?
45 degrees.
Very good. Then image will be formed 45 degree. Similarly here, now do the cross. What is the angle between the mirror?
90 degrees.
Now add these two, 90 plus 45. How much? 90 plus
135
45.
degrees.
So one image on M1 will be 135 degree. 90 plus 45. Again do crisscross. Angle is 90. 135 plus 90, how much? Here
225.
220. Okay. Here also 220.
225.
225. Okay. Now see both what I have written previously. One point, if the angle for any one mirror is greater than or equal to 180 degree, then further images will not be formed on that mirror. Now on these two mirror, both the angles are 180 degree, more than 180 degree, then these images we will not take. Then how many images are formed? One
4 images.
on 1, 2, 3, 4. You will say 4. Now we will not take these two. These images are overlapping. Can you see when you add all these? How much? 135, 135.
Along with 90, sir.
Yes. 360. Is it so? If the sum of
Yes, sir.
two images formed by plane mirror and the angle between the mirror is equal to 360 degree, then both the images will be overlapped. Then we will take only one overlapping, that is overlapping images or coincide. Then we will take either, so third, that it means as per the example, as per the question, third and fourth images will coincide, and we will take only one. So number of images will be 3. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. I think this point is very, very important. I think you understood.
Yes, sir.
I will give one question. You should
Sir,
write.
1 minute, sir. I will copy this one.
Yeah, you can copy. Okay, I will give such good time. It's just one. These notes are very important.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now we will. I will give you one example, and you need to tell me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Criss-cross method is important. For example, one more question I am giving. Write down. Find the number of images find the number of images found by two plane mirror as shown in figure. Object, if I place the object like this object is, as per the question, this is 20°, this is 30°, this is M1 mirror, M1 mirror, and mirror 2. Then tell me how many images will be formed. How many images will be formed? Now remember, this is a case of unsymmetrical object, unsymmetrical case. This formula is valid for symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So simply you just solve on your notebook and send the answer in group. Can you
Yes, sir.
solve?
Yes, sir. Solving, sir.
Please solve. Okay. Give me the answer. You solve and post the answer in the group. Meanwhile, I will give one more question.
Yes, sir.
This is one question. Next question is, this is second question.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
did you send?
No, sir. Doing it, sir.
Okay, please. Third question. This is 20.
Sir, I sent the photo, sir.
Let me check. How many images? 4.
For
Are you sure?
yes, sir.
20, 30, na? Wrong. 7 images will be formed. Why you are saying like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Why don't you go much? Angle is 50 only, na?
Sir, because 130 and 120, 250 is coming, sir. It's more than 180, right, sir?
If you take again 50, then 120 plus 50 is less than 180, na? Only one image will be cancelled. Okay, I will show you.
Yes, sir.
What is the question? How many? M1, M2. Tell me the values.
20 degrees and 30 degrees.
Take the criss-cross. 50. This is 80. Then take the criss-cross. 50. This is 120, 130. Again take the crisscross. 50. This is 170. This is 180. Then what we will do? How many images are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is cancelled because it is equal to or greater than 180. Though we will not take this image. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is less than 180, so we will take. If you take again crisscross, then no need to take because it is 170. If you take, then it is more than 180. Clear?
Yes, sir. Now it's
So
clear.
how many images? 7 images. Now solve these two
7.
questions. I'm coming meanwhile. I'm coming. You just solve these two questions and send the pic on the group. You solve?
No, sir. Solving, sir.
Okay, solve. Okay. So up to this we will teach today. I will teach. If
Yes, sir.
you need one more question, I will give some more question. Please try at your home. I will check tomorrow. Apply crisscross method and this object is 30, 30 here. Clear? Okay, I can give so many questions, but I want like you to solve one more question I am giving. Angle is 120 degree. Object is here. This is 60.
Sir, I sent the answer for the second question, sir.
Okay, I will check. You just solve remaining. This is the object. 60 angle, 60 angle. Mirror 1, mirror 2. This is also one more question, okay?
Yes, sir.
Fourth question. This is fifth one. For third question we have solved. 2040, no? Which one you have solved?
25, 45.
Okay, let me check. 25, 45. Yeah, right. Very right. Nice. Answer is coming 5 images. Very good. There is no overlapping. So these questions are your homework and please try at your home. Tomorrow I will start velocity or like plane mirror. We will complete plane mirror tomorrow. Then I will start center of curvature, radius of curvature, spherical mirror. Then we will start. Once plane mirror finish, I will tell application of plane mirror also. But I think that is you can read from the book. Very easy. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I think I should close the meeting. Stop sharing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any doubt?
Sir, I got 6. I got 6 for the third answer.
Very nice. 6 is the right answer. Very great. Great. 6 right. And 6 is correct. And for 120, 60, 60, answer is how much?
For that one, I didn't do it yet, sir.
Please do.
60, 60, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, 2 images were formed.
Right. Very nice. I'm really impressed. Like you understand. Tomorrow I will discuss velocity in plane mirror. Okay. Velocity.
Yes, sir.
This concept is also very important. Like for your competition, and I will discuss this topic. And Monday, like I want to keep any test on Monday. I will take class only because till now we didn't complete any mathematical portion. Just it's a ray optics is going on. Under this, only ray problems are given. So any mathematical concept will start. I will start. Then I will give you test. Assignment. I will
Yes,
give
sir.
one or two question only that you have to solve. Okay.
Yes.
So any doubt like till in this lecture?
No doubt, sir.
And what currently in Velama like which topic is going on?
Electricity, I think so, sir.
Okay, okay. And vector is I think vector they have started na previously
Yes, sir. We started vectors.
because I was there then they started like vector at that time.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I joined.
Actually, here also, again, vectors were started. Then we came into this electricity.
Okay, okay. Vector is in between only. Okay, okay. Actually, I joined a different institute. And I am sitting there only. And here, like the main, I want to say like they are providing Wi-Fi to me. That is why there is no by God grace, like you are getting without any disturbance, you are getting that much class. There is no
Yes, sir.
breakage because otherwise, if I use my own mobile network, there is discontinuity. That is why I ask the permission to regarding the Wi-Fi. Clear? So what I say like from actually here
Now, where
summer,
are you?
I am in Vellore.
Oh, sir, so far, sir.
Vellore is not far. It's around from
I know,
Chennai
sir, but
230.
from I mean, compared to
130.
the previous,
Where were you?
that is far. Kolattur.
Kolathur. Okay. Kolathur is very far, but actually Vellore is around 130 kilometer from Chennai. And I want to show like it's a very good institute and I am sitting here. They are like eco-friendly, like teacher-friendly environment. We can give more to students. So I am here 9, 10th, 11, 12th. I am only taking physics here.
Okay, sir.
So and I want to say like from 14 here will be the summer vacation. So and I will go my home because everything will be closed here. So in that time, like maybe I won't take any class because I will be in the train. You do one thing, you do the revision work at that time. Once I
Yes,
reach the
sir.
home, once I reached home, then I will start the class.
Yes,
Where
sir.
I will inform you, and maybe I will use my mobile that time. Little bit disturbance in case of like network issue, there will be that time. That is no issue now.
Yes, sir. No issue, sir.
Then when I return back to the value, then no problem. Clear? So, but
Yes, sir.
I wish like you will understand everything. Slowly, slowly, you will grasp
Yes, sir.
everything.
Now what are you thought? I understood everything.
Understood now? Okay, everything I in a very, very easy way, I will finish. Light.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.